everybody, my name is Ariel and I am an esthetician over at Celebrity Lashes and Makeup in Greenacres, Florida. And today I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Plasma Fibroblast Skin Tightening classes that we are now offering. Plasma Fibroblast Skin Tightening is basically a wonderful treatment for anti-aging, skin tightening, scar removal, acne scar removal, smoothing of the skin, overall rejuvenation, that basically uses a handheld device that elicits a electrical current joining with the moisture molecules in our skin and basically tricking our healing matrix in order to tighten and rejuvenate the skin with all new baby cells. Normally, it takes our body 7 years to do that on its own, so this basically kickstarts the process by creating tiny little micro scabs in a pattern specific to whichever body area that we're working on in order to overall tighten the area and lift. If you're interested in adding this service to your repertoire, it's an absolutely wonderful thing to learn and get under your belt. So reach out to us over at celebritylashes.makeup.com or on our Instagram at any time to learn more about joining us for our classes. Thanks so much.